I'm Santina with WTI. If you're like me and your man wears a lot of dress shirts, you may always be on the lookout for new ones. I know we certainly are. And my husband recently found this great dress shirt by Kenneth. It's a slim fit in this beautiful lilac color, and we both love it. So he says it's very comfortable and it's a good fit, which I think is super important. The slim fit is just right for him. And look how beautiful this color is. I think that the color is really interesting. It's a little different. It does go with several ties that he already owns. But it just adds a really nice little variety to his closet as far as dress shirt colors go. So overall, we both really like this dress shirt for him. I do the care, it washes great, it irons easy, so I have had no problems there, and I think it looks great on him as well. So I think you guys are gonna love it, and that's my point of view.